Guys, this is the squid, guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello mga kalindog, ayan, today magluluto tayo ng pesce risotto or riso with fruta di mare. Ayan, pakita nyo. Niluto ko muna yung tomato. Sinagyan natin ng all kind of fish. Ayan, meron tayong lahat ng kind of fish. Ayan. Gagawin natin siyang frutti di mare. Yan natin siya ng rice. So, ayan mga kalindog, kailangan half cook lang ang luto dahil iluluto natin yan. Kaya mga kalindog, of course, lagyan natin siya ng sibuyas. Ating niluluto. Ayan ang ating sibuyas. Para yummy. Ayan guys I cook only for one person. Kung you eat like two person or three person, of course, medyo marami-rami, di ba? Well, by the way, nag-isa lang ako, kaya yan mga kalindog. Ayan. Lagay na natin yung rice. Ayan. Ayan lang. Pagluto ng frutti di mare na risotto. Ayan. Ayan guys, na-absorb na ng rice ang white wine. So ayan guys, lagyan na natin ng oil after, tapos lagay natin yung rice. Ayan mga kalindog. Then, iluto lang natin siya ng ganyan. Fried lang. And then after that, lagay natin ang, ayan guys, this white wine. Kailangan mag-absorb siya. I-absorb niya yung white wine ng rice. Ayan guys. So, ganyan lang mga kalindog. So, there we go guys. After the rice absorbed the wine, so we have, meron tayong water or brodo in the fish, ng fish yan guys. So, we need to put little by little. We need to, ayan guys. We need to cook the rice with this, the broth on the, for the fish broth, ano, yung sabaw, I mean, okay, sabaw ng isda. So ayan guys, kailangan mahina lang yung apoy. Ayan lang natin siya ng ganyan lang. So ayan guys, I put already the seafoods. Ayan, seafood is, we have the fish, mussels, shrimp, and of course the what do you call it, the squid. Ayan, the pusit. Ayan guys, almost done. And of course we need also guys ng this cheese is it's a different cheese. This like it's a goat cheese or pecora. So, ayan mga kalindog. So, let's wait until 2 minutes. So, there we go, guys. Ayan. Our risotto. Frutti di mare, almost done. So, pwede na natin siyang lagyan ng parsley. Ayan mga kalindog. Ayan guys, our risotto frutti di mare is done. Ayan, o diba? Yummy. Very yummy siya mga kalindog. Diba? It's like a paella Or, but this is now is risotto fish. So, ayan guys. Serve na natin ang ating risotto. Frutti di mare. Ayan, mga kalindog. Oh my God, this is yummy, mga kalindog. Ayan, with a lot of seafoods. Diba? Ayan ang mga of food. And of course, ayan ang ating clam. Ayan mga kalindog. So ayan mga kalindog, let's eat na. Ayan mga kalindog, hi! Ayan, kainin natin ang ating Frutti di mare risotto. Ayan guys, oh, pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kasarap. Diba? Very yummy. Ayan, ang dami niyang, this is, ayan, ito yung espada na fish. At ayan, meron siyang salmon. Meron siyang, ayan, tahong na, o diba? At meron din siyang, ayan, shrimp. And of course, kumpleto ricados, mga kalindog. So, let's eat. Ayan, mukbang na naman tayo. And of course, hindi mawala ang ating tea na peach tea. Ayan, guys. Oh, hindi ko na mabuksan. Oh, my goodness. So, let's taste, mga kalindog. Let us taste itong tea. Masarap siya. Oh my God, really yummy. So, ay mga kalindog, tikman natin. O yan, meron din siyang, ayan guys, sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap mga kalindog, really yummy. Sarap. Oh my God, mga kalindog. Ayan mga kalindog, as you can see, no, I show you how to make or how to do the frutti di mare, ayan, ang risotto. Ang sarap niya mga kalindog. Really, really yummy. Satisfied. Ayan. Taste na taste talaga guys. O mga kalindog yung sapore di pesce or taste of the fish. O diba? Sarap. Simple lang mga kalindog. Basta kung you have a different kind of fish, you need to cook by the onion. Ayan, cook nyo lang yung onion, and then after that ilagay nyo na yung frutti di mare nyo, yung all the fishes or the seafoods. So ayan. Tapos, you can see naman no, how I did, how I cook the rice. Oh my God. Guys, really yummy, promise. Guys, this is famous and this is expensive in Rome, in Italy. Or especially if you're going in restaurant. Oh my God, guys. This is specialitat or specialist by the Italian dishes. Oh. Guys, ang sarap, ang init. And this oil really partner. A little bit sweet and then just a little bit spicy. Ayan guys, ang sarap-sarap niya, my gosh. Di ba? Ito yung pesce espada, oh. Di ba? Ang sarap mga kalindog. At ayan yung tahong or what do you call it? The clams. At ayan, meron din tayong pusit, the squid, o di ba? Kumpletos, ricados tayo, guys. We need to enjoy our food. We need to do all what we want. As I told you mga kalindog, enjoy life, di ba? What care if expensive or what? Ayan guys, ang sarap, really. Ayan, o, diba? At of course, ayan guys, yung ating hipon, ang ating shrimp. Diba? Ang laki, oh. Very big, guys. Diba? It's like soup po. Oh my God, mga kalingdong. Fresh na fresh. Harap. Oh my God. Really yummy, mga kalindog. I hope you will taste this or you can taste that. My God, this is the Italian food, guys. The risotto frutti di mare. Super sarap. Naku, talagang bonggang-bongga ko talaga yung mga seafoods niya. Oh. Sayang eh. Hindi ko sa inyo napakita. I don't show you that. Nung niluluto ko yung isda eh. Have guys on. Mga kalindog. Diba? This is the squid, guys. Ayan. Naman. Sarap. Ayan guys, oh. Sarap. Ayan, ito ang laks. Ano ba yung laks? Oh, I forgot the laks in salmon. Ayan. Oh, di ba yung salmon? Oh, sarap, guys. Yummy. Salmon. At ayan, meron din tayong ano, guys. Oh, di ba? Ayan, guys. Di tahong and shrimp. Ayan, guys. Oh my God. Guys, I'm almost done. So, thank you. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my cooking and mukbang. And guys, I think we're going to do, or we're doing this, our content always. The cooking, and then I will make mukbang or eating in the front of you. So yan guys, what you see with me is, that is me, Roha Alindog Brenner. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my vlogs or my video. Bye.